According to the research, the majority of target customers don't purchase a product or service because they do not know what the product or service is, and they're too busy to listen for more than 5 minutes.
Your customers don't understand how your product can solve their problems?
Yeah.
Are you tired of repetitive selling that leads nowhere?
Egregiously.
Do your customers ask the same questions again and again?
Always.
Are you looking at simplifying your product explanation?
Please.
Well, the answer is in a creative concept, where through animation we can structure the offering with your voice, providing a brief explanation of your product and services of core value.
Our team consists of sales experts with experience of increasing sales in all industries and use their knowledge and techniques to create sales animation customized for you, which is precise, short, and exciting.
Drop us a message for your first consultation.